action. But in order to use error cracking, we need to dump it to a file. So I'll stop the arrow dump, and now I'll run arrow dump -ng -c6 -bssid, and then I'll paste in the bssid -w, and now this is to write to a file. So I'm just going to call this dump file and wlan0mon. So I'll run it, and so while it's running this time, it's saving the results to a file. In my other terminal window, if I type ls, I'll see that these files are created. The important one is the cap file. So there's a cap file, there's CSV, there's Kismet file, there's various files that are created by the arrow dump, and they're continuing to grow. If I type ls-la and get the list, I'll see that dump file 01 cap has 2998, its number of bytes, and if I run it again, it's already up to 4640. So one window, one command, the arrow dump, is actually dumping the data, and the other window I'm using to run commands like error replay. So I can type error replay -ng, and here I can do different commands. So each command, there's -0, -1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's different commands just by the number. So if I do -0 and then -a, I can put the BSSID again, and then wlan0mon. Oh, and I need a value because this is a deauthentication. I can do -01, and it's sending a deauth. But usually with that command, you want to target a particular client MAC address, which we didn't do here. So I'll try some other commands. There's also the one command. So -0 is the deauth, -1 is the fake auth. So the fake authentication with a delay. So we need -1, 1, and then -a with our MAC address and wlan0mon. If I run this command, it's sending fake auth requests. Then I can do error replay ng-2. So this is the interactive frame selection. Error replay with -3 is the ARP request replay, and needs me to specify a source MAC address. And I think in this case, I do need to specify, let's say -e hal 2400, and it's trying to get ARP requests and ARP packets. Another command we can run. So all of these are options with the error replay command. So error replaying -4. This is actually the chop chop command. This is a web attack, so there's not much use for it here. And then the last one, error replay -5, is a fragmentation attack, which generates a valid key stream. Again, I need to specify, let's say, e hal 2400.